Hello guys, welcome back to Jestina's Budget Bites. Today guys, I'm going to bring you orange cake recipe, and this homemade orange cake is bursting with fresh citrus flavor and has perfect soft fluffy texture, made with real orange juice and zest. Every bite is light and moist and at the same time refreshing. It is an easy recipe you can make with simple ingredients, yet it tastes like something special from a bakery. Whether you're baking for tea time, a family treat, or just craving something fruity, this orange cake is a must try. You can top it up with a light glaze or with coconut flakes, or you can enjoy it as it is delicious either way. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. And guys, don't open the oven for the first 30 minutes when baking the orange cake. The preparation for this recipe is 10 minutes and it serves 18 to 20. For our delicious orange cake, we need 2 small thin skinned oranges washed, 3 eggs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange juice, 1 cup granulated sugar, zest from half orange, half cup natural oil or sunflower, 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 175 degrees, and then we're gonna bake it for 40 to 50 minutes on the middle rack. And when it's done, the toothpick comes out clean. I'm now doing the batter. Whisk the eggs and sugar until pale and fluffy for just 1 minute. Then stir in the oil, orange zest and vanilla extract. The blending of the zest and the juice, that is why it's so moist and you get that real marmalade flavor. For the dry ingredients, we're going to sift the flour in another bowl, then mix it together with the baking powder and salt. This orange cake will smell in your kitchen like you are zesting 10 oranges. Warm, citrusy, sweet with a cozy vanilla note. It's the kind of smell that makes people walk into your kitchen asking, "What are you baking?" Guys, look at that golden brown top with a slight doomy. Inside is a warm yellow orange crumb with little dark specks from the zest. And if you glaze, it looks glossy and gets those slow drips down the sides. So guys, if you're curious, you try it and comment in the comment box and tell me how it tastes. So guys, this is what I have for you from my kitchen to your kitchen, and I hope that you enjoy the video. If you enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to give me thumbs up, comment, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. So you take care of yourselves. Bye. I love you all. See you next week in another edition. Bye.